What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu and the token burns that we saw in July and what to expect here in August of 2022. As always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, but rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. Shiba Inu is currently sitting at 11,850 Satoshis. Over the last 7 days, we've seen a pretty strong uptick. Nothing too significant, but a nice 20 to 25% rally. Trade volume, is up 51% in the last 24 hours at $670 million exchanging the hands of traders. Seems like, again, there is a little bit of buy pressure, slight sell pressure, which is kind of creating some consolidation. Bitcoin is currently down 2.4% on the last 24 hours, ETH down 3.4%, and SHIB kind of right in between those two, down about 1.86% on the day. But what we want to discuss today is the Shiba Inu burns that we saw in July and what to expect this month. And again, happy August to all of those of you who are watching. Before I dive in, guys, I do want to mention there's always a link in the description below for MooMoo, where you can get your 10 free stocks when you deposit money into your MooMoo trading account. Yes, 10 free stocks could be yours. Up to $2,500 for each stock, meaning $25,000 could potentially be yours when you click that link. Your chances of getting AZO stock is doubled over the next 12 hours and 34 minutes, as it says here. AZO stock is currently valued at $2,137. So the Shiba Inu burns. It continues to burn in the billions. 4.7 billion SHIB was burnt in July, 1 billion in the past week, 216 million in the last 24 hours. We continue to see the tokens leave circulation. But the question is it happening fast enough for traders to appreciate the burns? The answer to that is probably not. We would love to see hundreds of billions, if not trillions of tokens burnt out of circulation each and every month. Because if that was the case, at that pace, we can definitely start to see an impact on the current supply and demand. Because there's such a big amount of token flow, it's hard for Shiba Inu burns, even if it's in the millions, to really impact price action. But let's go ahead and jump in. Over 4.67 billion Shiba Inu tokens were burned by the community July 2022, 1.13 billion in a week, and 216 million in the last 24 hours. Meaning, if we see the exact same amount of burns that we saw in July here in August, we're expecting about 4.76 billion. But again, the market was somewhat at an uptick, because if we look at the 1 month chart for SHIB, we can kind of see what happened. Over the month of July, we saw Shiba Inu rally a couple different times. Once about 15%, a second time closer to about 25%, and then a third time to about 20%. From top to bottom, if we look at from peak to trough. So again, if we expect the same thing here in August, well, that means we're not going to really anticipate or expect much of a price action change from just solely the burns. But again, remember, as demand comes back into crypto, as demand comes back into all equity markets, I'm talking stocks, crypto, regardless of what you invest in, bonds, it doesn't matter. If we see higher demand, we will see the supply to hopefully not only start reducing because of the burn portal, but also the less token flow out there for people to purchase. Meaning, again, the price action should start ticking upwards. But again, only time will tell what will happen. I'm expecting hopefully that August is a month of steady gains and steady positive sentiments in crypto. July was one of those that we had so many different things happening. GDP, the rate hikes, all the different things that came out, and the market reacted, and it wasn't too negative. So hopefully now in August, we start to see investors come back into the space and start putting money back into the market. If it's BTC and ETH, and hopefully Shiba Inu will only follow from there. As always, I appreciate you guys' support. Make sure you smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.